Good morning, everyone. I'm Steven Laborti, and this is my daily vlog in province. I show you the view in our province. It's really nice here. Here are the view.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance.
And the other view is really nice too. This is the other view.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night.
That's my day one in province, enjoying the view because I really. So hi everyone, this is my day two in province. This day I'm done batting, and that's boy behind me is my brother. We're going to the gym because there's a birthday celebration there, and we're going to eat there. So I didn't capture any videos there because there's a lot of people there. I'm shy, so I'm done eating in there. So I decide to go home, and so I decide to stay at home, capturing every moment because I really miss my home. This is my childhood. This time I try to find a signal because in province it's hard to find a signal. You see, I'm very sweet because it's really hot there. The sun is very hot. So I decide to going home. Hi everyone, this is my day three in province. So I'm going to my cousin house to take a shower there. This is the way to go in their house. So this is my cousin. So that is my cousin, guys. It's really hot, and that's me. I'm going to take a shower. I, I really miss my cousin, so we're chatting how life goes on, what happened, what happened about our lives. And he also my best friend here when I'm here in province. So he's my partner in crime. So so it's take long to take a shower because we're having fun of chatting each other. So I'm done showering. So I'm going to play basketball together with my friends. And, we're playing basketball because there are league in other city or other barangay. We our team is invited there. So this time we are done basket. We are win. So me and my friend decide to cook chicken because it's very exhausted this day. So I'm going to take a tanglad to for our chicken. That um these are my friends, guys. Hi. Hi.
Asa man dong?
Sira ka.
Ba naman eh?
Asa ang kuan?
Lag usara sa kabo.
Duha na eh. Duha na. We are very happy this day and full. Inspirasyon uli na may gusto na makaka-inspirasyon.
Mga kainte ba siyo? Luy.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet.
Day 4. So we are the committee of the basketball league here. That's my friend G and my friend Marwin. So this is the basketball court there. And that's me. Our, after the game, me and my friends eating lunch because we are the priority because we are the committee. And that's me eating eating lunch. This is my last day in province. Hi everyone. So going back to boarding house again. Every time I wake up in boarding house, this is my daily routine, guys. First, I'm cooking a rice for breakfast because my sister and brother are asleep. I'm the one who in charge because my brother and sister have work and I don't have work, so I decide. So I'm the one who cooking them, in charge to cook them. So after cooking, I'm going to wash my face to be grooming in the day. So wash my face, small wash. So this is the result, guys. Nothing gonna change. This is the real face talaga. Uh, he, he is really sleepy person. After wash my face, I'm washing the dishes, the spoon, plates that we use the night. We use night, and like we use this. These plates are used to eat, guys. Then take, then making a coffee for my brother because see he is wake up. So he really loves to drink coffee, guys. Then after I'm going to cook a meal. So I'm going to cook a munggo. So here's the munggo, guys. Uh, it's really yummy for the morning. Munggo. After a few minutes, this is the result that the meal that I cook. It's really yummy, guys. That's my brother told me that it's okay na. We can say it's not really good because my face is telling the truth that my cook is very good. Let's taste it for the final and aftertaste. If it's really good, we're going to eat na. So it's yeah, it's yummy. My face is you look my face. It's very yummy, guys. Look at the mungo I made. It's really good. So let's eat, everyone. My brother really like it, and my sister is sleep pa. After a few minutes of done eating and rest, and I'm going to take a shower because it's really hot in the boarding house. So I decided to take a shower, guys. So I'm done showering. So I'm going to my auntie and Wi-Fi there. So I'm going to Wi-Fi because this is the place I'm tambayan. I record. Yeah. I'm here in my aunt. That's my auntie, guys. And this is her house. So this is where I tambay every time I'm done my job.